It's so cute. Emma want a bite? Oh, Emma's gonna take a bite. No, you can't have the whole thing. You want to take a bite? Ella's eating a carrot. Ella's eating a carrot and it's so cute. Emma, you want a bite? Get your bite. Hold on, we're going to get Emma a bite. Here you go. Emma, get down. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Emma just took the other piece. Oh, you can't see. It's too dark. Emma's got it in her paws there. Ah, that's so funny. That's so funny. I love that. Emma, you're not eating your carrot. There you go. Emma has me covered in carrot. Go figure. Even Lulu likes carrots. Even Lulu likes carrots. That's it, no more. That's it, no more. Was that good, Ella? Ella May. Ella May. May May. Was it good stuff? Was it good stuff, Emma Lou? Was it good? Oh, giving the camera kisses.